Hello guys, in today's session we take case study 1 relationship between LAI and LST. At the beginning we import a list of libraries and functions which we use in today's session. Before importing these libraries and functions, these packages should be installed. For example, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, and so on. Then we say import NumPy as NP, import Pandas as PD, import Seaborn as SNS, import matplotlib, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, import statesmodels.api as SM, then from sklearn.linearModel import linear regression, from sklearn.input import simple inputer, from scipy.status import Shapiro, from statesmodels.graphics.govplots import qqplot. The data that we use is countries LAI and LST.csv file. We read this dataset by using pd.read_csv function. We name it dataset, then in the R mode, read mode, and we put the path. Then we name it df equal dataset, columns year, LAI China, LST China, LAI India, and LST of India. Let's display the head of data frame. Then we convert the year to integer 64. To get information about our data, we use df.info function. Now we have data type, memory usage, data columns, total 5 columns, and so on. And we can use df.count. It returns a number of non-null values in each column. To get descriptive statistics, we use df.describe function. Now the output is count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, quantiles, and maximum. To get a number of rows and columns, we use df.shape, which is 16 rows and 5 columns. To check the number of null values, we use df.isNull.sum. We haven't any null data. In case we have missing data, we use the mean method to handling this missing value. In this step, we select some columns, then input equal simple inputter, missing value equal np.nan, comma strategy equal mean. We use this method for filling gaps. Display our result by using sns.set, then selecting columns and using parplot function, sns.parplot. From df data frame, use our columns LAI India and LST India, then selecting the size. That's our output. Scatter plot between LAI of India and LST, bar plot. To create heat map, we use our data dot core, then f comma ix equal plt dot subplots, selecting figure size, for example 10 by 10, then using sns dot heatmap function, our data core mat, comma bmax equal 1 and square equal true are not equal true. Then to create bar plot, we use sns.barplot. The data is df. Then we have ylab and xlab. That's our output. To perform the simple linear regression, we select x and y, and we reshape our data to be between -1 to +1 for both LAI and LST. df.drop now in place equal true, then regression equal linear regression, reg.fit between x and y, then print reg.score between x and y. The regression is 0.06 less than 0.1. This means no relationship exists between LAI and LST of China. In the same way, we perform the simple linear regression between LAI and LST of India. The result is 0.25. A weak linear regression exists between LST and LAI in India. To print intercept and coefficients, we use reg.intercept and reg.coef. Intercept 311, coefficients -3.97.